Hello and thanks for joining me for another video. This one is going to be a junk journaling process video. The small junk journal that I've got here is an A6 size, and that's something that I made a few days ago. And what you just saw in the Traveler's Company notebook, that is 2 fully completed inserts in the narrow size. And that's essentially volume 1 and volume 2 of Letters to Denny, which this one that I'm working in right now is going to be volume 3. So Letters to Denny is basically letters to Danielle, my 18-month-old daughter, and it's going to be a collection of letters and memories and bits and pieces of her childhood that she's able to flip through when she's a little bit older. And truth be told, it's also a really nice way to, I think, get crafty without investing an enormous amount of supplies or time. And it's also a good way to use up all the extra photos and scraps of paper and embellishments that otherwise sit in a box not getting used. So I think that's a win, whichever way you look at it. So I'm basically just layering up this photo on different kinds of paper to give it a little bit of texture. It just looks a bit flat at the moment. And yeah, I just thought I'd do something a little bit different on this channel. With this particular memory, it's basically just all about how Danielle never stops moving. She's 18 months and ever since she started walking, she has not stopped. And so I snapped this cute little photo of her and her best friend, which is the little black and white dog in the background. That's Buddy, that's my husband's parents' dog. And they're inseparable. And I just think it's a really sweet little moment that I want her to know about when she's older. So I just added a bit of a pattern paper to sort of keep the theme running on both pages. I eventually chose this journaling card and this leaf sticker. That one is available in my Etsy store, Moonlight Cabin. I'll leave a link down below to that and you can check it out yourself. So it's a really quick way to fill up a page without using so much, I guess. And yeah, it looks nice. I think it's it's not a loud page. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So there's plenty of space to write down the little memory, and there you go. I managed to fill this out while my baby was napping, and it was just a really nice way to spend an afternoon. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. And I think I shall have to make a few more of these in the future because it was a lot of fun. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.